Benvenuti and welcome to Classic Coach Repairs in Elizabeth, New Jersey. One of the finest repair shops and coach builders for Ferrari in, I would say North America, but I should also say the world. We're featuring this morning a 1990 Ferrari 348 with Targa top. The Ferrari 348 Type F119 is a mid-engine V8 powered two-seat sports car, produced of course by Ferrari, replacing the 328 in 1989 and continuing until 1995. It was the final V8 model developed under the direction of Enzo Ferrari before his death and commissioned to production posthumously. This car, as you can see from the interior, is in perfect condition. 22,700 miles. It's really a super buy. If it's your first Ferrari that you're buying or it's one that you add into your collection. Car has been meticulously serviced here by our technicians, and again, it's really perfect condition.
All right, guys, we're just going to go over some of the extras that come along with this Ferrari. Of course, you do have your car cover. Inside, it has a Rockford Fosgate amplifier. All your booklets are here. Paperwork. Toolkit is there. This is also for the Targa top. Has the case for it. Simply, actually, it goes behind the seats. If you take off the top, put it in its case, and then it goes behind the seats. Now, one owner vehicle from Carfax. A lot of the history that's been done. Just showing some of it. Timing belt, just flipping through. Battery replaced. Slave cylinder with throwout bearing. Wheel bearing. Lots of service. This car has had the tune-up done. Owners asked us to put it up, and that's why we have it here. But timing belt was done, tensioner bearing, idler, exhaust manifold gasket, pipe gasket, cooling drain plug, AC belt, alternator belt. All these things have been done, and this was done in 2017. Let's see what the mileage was, at 21,498 miles, so everything very freshly done. If you need more help, please give us a call. We'll go over these records in more detail.
Okay, this 348 TS, which stands for Trasversale Spider, is has a 3.4 liter naturally aspirated version of the quad cam 4-valve per cylinder V8 engine.